Okay, in this segment we're going to demonstrate how to install one of our E3 recessed contacts, which would be the 2 gig DW20R-345. There's a picture of it right there. And it's a recessed contact that should make installation a little bit easier. You will need your drill. You're going to need a 7/8 inch drill bit for it to be fully recessed, and you'll also need a 3/4 inch drill bit as well. I have marked this to show exactly how far I need to go in when I'm drilling, so I don't go in too far. And that was basically measured off of the contact itself. In addition to that, you are going to need some DAP for the final product. And what I've done is I've marked the door here where the door is going to close, where I can actually make sure that that contact is going to go in. And I have also measured back far enough to make sure that when I do drill this, I'm not going to pop out the side light on the back side, causing any damage. All right. So again, another good reason for your pre-marking of your 3/4 inch paddle bit. Now the 7/8 inch paddle bit is just for the lip, so you're really going to go in about 1/16 of an inch. All right, when you drill this out, okay, because that's going to make that lip fully recessed. And that's for your doors and door frames that close really tight, where that lip could possibly hit the other lip of the magnet that would go in the door. So we're going to go ahead and pre-drill this just a touch. Just about a 1/16 inch. All right, clean that out. We're going to switch our bits to our 3/4 inch. And again, we're only going to go in as far as the mark. Okay, now that we've cleaned that out, pull that out a little bit. At that point, you would install your contact. There's a little spot where a screwdriver would go to actually be able to pop the cover and replace the batteries. You do want to have that facing down in case there's any condensation in there. It can drain out the bottom, not actually collect inside. So we're going to put that back together, and we're going to slide it in the hole with that notch facing down, and you can see it fits nice and snug. And then the final coating, be a little DAP, probably leave that opening just a little bit, and put in just enough to where it looks good, but the customer can still actually remove that top cover and get to the battery when it's time to change those. And that's the installation of the 2 gig DW20R-345 recessed door contact.